best count I got?
Not you.
So that means it could be up to 5 guys up there?
It's possible.
We should have fucking shotguns.
Bitch, I paid the price to rock this ice. Tell me what you niggas know about sacrifice. Tell me what you niggas know about sacrifice. Yeah, I pray every night cause I live one hell of a life. One hell of a life. 2 shells back to back. One hell of a night too. I pick up the chicken, then I'm right back on the flight. My dog still on lockdown and he just sent me a kite. One hell of a life. Yeah, grew up watching my big cousin and cooking up white. Hands did a sweep and the whole neighborhood got indicted. Got an old school, but it look like a new coupe inside it. Now I'm not from New York, but I'm a motherfucking giant. Went from having nothing to in Dubai shopping. She got fake titties, she love to walk around topless. Independence Day, we pull up and get it poppin'. No time for cheap talking. No time for cheap talking. You know my teeth flawless.